Are you tired of trying side hustle after side hustle, but still can't seem to make any of them work? Well, today I'm going to change all of that because by the end of this video, I'm going to show you step by step the exact strategy that you can follow to make your first $1,000 online this month, completely passively. The strategy I'm about to show you has personally made me up to $50,000 in a single month. And if you follow what I'm about to show you, you'll be able to create an income stream that runs 24/7 for you, even when you're not actively working. And the best part is, I'm going to show you how to set the whole thing up in just minutes using one very powerful but beginner-friendly AI app that does all of the hard work for you. And yes, you can even do this completely using your phone, even if you don't have a laptop. Now, if you're new to my channel, I know what you're thinking. Stacey, this sounds too good to be true. Well, I think my 170,000 subscribers speak for me when I say I never share fake side hustles just to get your attention. On my channel, you'll only find side hustle or online business ideas that actually work and are 100% real. And I always back them up with real concrete proof. But the best way for me to prove it to you is to show you. So here on my screen, you can see the income I've just started making with this method over the last few weeks. And I'm doing this simply by being the middleman between customers and the products they're already searching for to buy. I don't even have to persuade anyone to buy anything because they're already actively searching to spend their money. I'm simply pointing them in the right direction. And what you can see here is just the beginning, because I plan on scaling this method up to $500 or more per day. And with each step covered in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can duplicate this system to achieve what you see here for yourself. Now, I know you're asking, what is this income stream that you're talking about? Well, the method I use to do this is called affiliate marketing. But hold on a second. If you've already heard of affiliate marketing before, do not skip out early thinking this is going to be the same boring tutorial that you've already seen before, because I'm going to show you my new updated method to do this that you probably haven't seen before, including some of my own personal money-making secrets later on in this video. Now, I do need to say that, of course, there's no way for me to guarantee any specific income results for anybody else. That's because your success is entirely up to you and the amount of effort you put into this. What I can guarantee is that what I'm going to show you in this video is easy enough for even a complete beginner to follow. And I'm going to show you everything you need to know to start making money online by the end of this video and potentially achieve your first $1,000 day within your first month. Now, let's jump right into step number 1. So the first thing you need to do to get this process started is to pick a profitable affiliate product. Now quickly, if you're brand new to my channel and have never heard of affiliate marketing before, it's a simple process where you, as the affiliate, promote other businesses' products online, and then the other business pays you a commission every time somebody buys their product through your affiliate link. But a big mistake that I see almost every beginner make is that they spend days, weeks, or months searching the internet for the perfect affiliate product and never actually get started. But from my experience, it's almost impossible not to find a great affiliate product because almost every major brand you can think of has an affiliate program that you can join right now to start making money online. Brands like Nike, Sephora, Amazon, Disney, Verizon, even Target have affiliate programs where they will pay you to promote their products online. And with the help of affiliate marketplaces like ClickBank, Digistore24, ShareASale, and my personal favorite, Impact, you can find thousands of profitable affiliate products to start promoting right now. But when picking your affiliate product, you need to make sure it fits into a profitable niche, or a niche where people are actively looking to spend money right now. I go over product and niche selection in detail in a few of my other videos over on my channel if you're not sure how to do this. But the most profitable niches are typically health, wealth, tech, and relationships. But lately, I've been seeing a rise in one other niche that I'm going to share with you in this video, and that's the travel niche. And as proof, here on my screen, you can see I'm inside the Google Ads Keyword Planner tool. And if you look here, you can see there are literally millions of people searching for cheap, budget, or affordable travel ideas on Google every single month. And as I'm sure you know, the act of traveling is an expensive thing to do. Flights, hotels, car rentals all cost a lot of money. So the affiliate commission potential is very high within this niche. This means you don't have to get a lot of affiliate sales to make a significant amount of money. Let me show you what I mean. Here on my screen, you can see I'm inside the Impact Affiliate Marketplace, where they have lots of different affiliate products that you can choose to promote. If you want to also sign up to be an Impact affiliate, there's a link down in the description for you. For this example, I'm going to pick this affiliate product right here called Skyscanner. Skyscanner is an online website that I actually use myself to book my own travel, and it allows you to find the cheapest prices for flights, hotels, and car rentals. I've personally saved thousands of dollars on travel by using Skyscanner to book my flights. I've included a link down in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. And that's also how I know that Skyscanner is a great affiliate product, because I've personally tested it out and I know that it's a helpful product to anyone looking to make travel plans. And as I just showed you, there are millions of people looking for cheap or budget-friendly travel options every single month. So this affiliate product would be a perfect solution for this audience's problem. Now, let's do a quick calculation on just how much money you can make by promoting Skyscanner as your affiliate product. Back over here on the Impact Marketplace, you can see that Skyscanner pays a 20% commission on the revenue that you send to them. Now, quick pro tip, when choosing your affiliate product, you want to pick a product with a high percent commission so that you make the most amount of money for every sale. Now, back to this calculation, if someone clicks on your Skyscanner affiliate link and searches for a flight from Toronto to Rome, for example, even if they choose the cheapest option that you can see right here, you as the affiliate would still earn a commission of over $200 just from this one sale. But not only that, most people do not travel alone. They travel with their partner or family. So if someone books this same flight for even just 2 people, your affiliate commission doubles to over $400 from just one single sale. And it's really not that difficult to convince someone to spend $1,000 or more on a flight if they're already searching to do that anyways. So in the next step, I'm going to show you exactly how to share your affiliate link in a specific way so that you can get it right in front of people who are searching to spend their money right now. And $400 per day is great, but if you keep watching, I'm going to show you how to not only get just one affiliate commission like this per day, but how you can get multiple commissions, potentially making over $1,000 in a single day, so make sure you keep watching. And that brings us to step number 2. Now for this step, you need to come over to the Google search screen. And what I'm going to show you now is how we're going to get our target audience's attention. Here on Google, you're going to type in a search that is related to your niche. More specifically, something that your audience is trying to solve within that niche. For the budget travel niche example that I'm using, I'm going to type in affordable trip to Rome. And if we click on the first website here, you'll see this person has created an article that helps people plan an affordable trip to Rome, just like we were looking for. And if you keep scrolling down and look right here, you'll see they're recommending Skyscanner with their own affiliate link to every single person who reads this post. And here's proof that this person is making a ton of money just by recommending Skyscanner on their website. If you look here on my screen, you can see they're getting over 1 million visits in just 2 months. So we know that a lot of the people reading this article will go on and book their flights through Skyscanner through this author's affiliate link. And that will make them a 20% commission for every single sale. Now, I know what you're thinking. Stacy, this looks great, but I have no idea how to create an entire affiliate marketing website like this, or write entire articles to put on that website. Well, you don't have to worry about that, because in the next step, I'm going to show you how to create an entire website just like this one in any niche you can think of, including the affiliate articles, in just minutes using a powerful but beginner-friendly AI app. So let's move on to step number 3. Creating an entire affiliate website like the example I just showed you used to be very difficult, very time-consuming, and very expensive to do. You had to be a web designer, coder, and author, and it would take you weeks or months to create this. Or if you didn't have the skills to do it yourself, you'd have to pay people in those professions a lot of money to create this website for you. But now, with the help of just one AI tool that I'm about to show you, you can literally do all of this in just minutes with just a few clicks, even if you have zero experience with web design, coding, or writing articles. The AI tool that I'm talking about is called Hostinger. Hostinger is a web hosting site that includes a powerful AI website builder that allows you to build amazing websites in just seconds, simply by typing in your brand name, the type of website you want to create, and a brief description. Then, in just a few seconds, it will create an entire website for you, including unique content and images customized specifically for your affiliate niche. No coding or tech skills needed at all. And for those of you who are always looking for side hustles that you can do from your phone, Hostinger even has a mobile website editor. This allows you to create and edit websites on mobile, allowing you to do all of this directly on your phone without needing a laptop. So to get started, you can go to hostinger.com. or I've added a link down in the description for you. Here you can see Hostinger has an amazing deal going on right now. Plus, if you use my unique discount code that is on the screen right now, you can get an extra 10% off on top of the current deal, making the cost to get started with this extremely inexpensive. Now, when creating your Hostinger account, you'll see there's different account options that you can choose. Now, to follow along with this video, you'll need to choose the business plan because it includes all of the AI tools that you're going to need to complete your affiliate website, like the AI website builder, AI writer, and the AI image generator. But you can choose whichever account type you like. To create your account, you're going to click this button right here to add the business website builder to cart. Then you need to select your monthly plan, where you can see there's different options from 1 month all the way up to 48 months. This is the one that I suggest because it's the cheapest per month and gives you 3 months free. Plus, it even gives you a free domain to use for your website. And don't forget, if you use my discount code, you get an additional 10% off on top of this deal. Once you've created your account, it's time to create your affiliate website using the AI website builder. To do that, come up here to the top menu and select Websites. Then click the Add Website button. This will bring you to the AI builder, where anyone, even if you're a complete beginner, can create a website in just a few clicks. To get started, click the Start Creating button. From this screen, you simply need to enter your brand name or website name. I'm using this for our travel example. Then select the type of website you want to create. You can see there are a few different options to pick from, like online store, blog, or portfolio. But for your affiliate marketing website, you want to pick blog. Then you just need to provide the AI website builder with a brief description or prompt of what you want your website to be about. For this example, I'm going to stick with the travel niche and write a prompt like this. Once you enter the description, you can also choose specific colors that you want to be used for your website. I'm going to choose this color palette right here. Then all you need to do is click this button here that says Create Your Website. And you'll see here in just a minute, it has created a complete affiliate marketing website for you with everything you need to get started, including headers, images, blog posts, and links to your social media accounts. You can even view what your website will look like on mobile by clicking the button right here. And here you can see that the AI has even created a fully functioning blog for us that you can use to promote your affiliate products, which I'll get to in just a minute, so keep watching. But if you see anything that you don't like or you want to change, it's really simple to edit your website. All you have to do is click this button right here, and it will take you to the drag and drop website editor. Here, it's so simple to make changes to your website. Hostinger even includes a checklist to make sure that you don't miss anything. So even if you're a complete beginner, you'll have no problems editing your website. To make a change, all you have to do is click on the element you want to edit, then select the options you want to change. For example, if you want to change the header, you just need to click on it, then select Edit Text. Then you can simply type any text that you want. And if you want to change the image, you can click on it, then click Edit Image. Then you can choose either replace the image with one of your own, a royalty-free image, or you can use the AI image generator to create a unique image by clicking right here. Then all you have to do is type a detailed description of what you want your image to look like. For this example, I'm going to ask it to create an image of a beach, so I'll use this prompt right here. Then you'll see that the AI image generator has created unique images that you can pick from that match your prompt. To add it to your website, just click on it and you'll see that it replaces the previous image that was originally there. You can also move any element within your website by simply clicking on it and dragging it to where you want it to be. Every single element and section of this website is fully customizable, and you can see that the drag and drop editor makes it so simple to edit your website. You can add elements by using the menu over here on the left, and you can access all of the AI tools by clicking this button right here. So now you have your affiliate website created, but you're missing the most important part. And that's how you're going to monetize your new website. For this, you're going to use another one of Hostinger's AI tools, which I'm going to show you now in step number 4. For the example website that I showed you earlier in the travel niche, we saw that this affiliate marketer was generating income by adding their affiliate links into helpful blog posts. So what I'm going to show you how to do now is how to replicate that for your affiliate website. But I'm going to show you how to do it in just a few minutes without ever having to write a single blog post yourself. Now, if you look here on my screen, you'll see we're inside the website I just created using the Hostinger AI website builder. To create your affiliate blog post, you're going to click the Pages and Navigation button in the left menu, and then click the blog page from the menu. Then you're going to scroll down and click on the first blog post that the AI builder created for you, and then click Edit Post. Now, when you open this, you'll see it's really just a placeholder for an actual blog post, so you'll have to replace this with actual written content related to your niche. To do that, come over here to the left menu and click on the AI Tools button, then select AI Blog Generator. From this screen, all you have to do is specify the tone of voice you want your blog post to have. I'm going to choose casual, and then choose the number of words you want your blog post to have, which I suggest is between 15 to 2,000 words. Then, just like the AI image generator, you just need to provide the AI with a simple prompt so that it knows what to write for you in the blog post. On my screen, you can see an example prompt that I'm going to use for the travel niche, but you can customize the prompt to fit whichever niche you choose. Now, a pro tip that I suggest is to make sure that you ask the AI to include popular keywords for your niche into these articles. You can see that I've included this in my prompt right here. Now, one amazing thing that the Hosting Your AI blog generator can do that I haven't seen any other AI tools do yet is the ability to automatically hyperlink your affiliate link into your blog for you. Typically, you'd have to copy and paste all of your affiliate links into your blog post manually after it's already been written, but Hosting Your AI blog generator will actually do all of that for you. So you can literally have an entire monetized blog post written for you in just minutes. To do that, come over to the affiliate product that you chose to promote, generate and copy the affiliate link, then add it to your prompt with the instructions like this that you see on my screen. Please hyperlink all of the instances of the word Skyscanner in this blog post with the following URL. Then paste your affiliate link right here. Of course, you need to update the prompt with your own specific affiliate product. Then all you have to do is click the Create Content button, and you'll see the Hosting Your AI will get to work once again. And then in less than a minute, it will create a complete affiliate blog post on the exact topic you asked for. And if you scroll down, you can see the blog post is pre-populated with your affiliate link, making it fully monetized and ready to make you money in just minutes. Now remember, you can also edit this blog post yourself if there's anything you want to change, like the image or any of the text. And don't forget, you can even edit all of this on your phone if you don't have a laptop. Now, the last thing you need to do is to go back and repeat this process for the other articles on your site. And then also do some research and create additional blog posts on helpful topics that people within your niche are searching for on Google. Once you're done editing your website, you just need to click the Go Live button up here on the top right corner. And don't forget, you also get a free domain with your account, which you can create by clicking right here. Now, with that, I've shown you how you can create a brand new profitable affiliate marketing website using the help of Hosting Your AI to build a fully monetized blog in just minutes. Now, of course, there are additional things that you can do to get attention and traffic to your new affiliate marketing blog. And to help you really succeed at this, I'm going to be creating a full tutorial just for my subscribers that shows you how you can get traffic directly to your monetized blog post using my favorite traffic strategies. To get access to that tutorial first, share a comment down below if you're interested, and make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you can be notified as soon as I post that tutorial in the next few days.